Hermès is a French luxury brand. It is famous among everyone for its high-end and luxury products. Its 184-year-old history makes it more prestigious. Hermès always targeted the elite people, and even today, it's highly sought after by celebrities, royals, billionaires, and politicians. Any fashion enthusiast would like to have a Hermès product in their collection. So in this video, let's check out some of the most popular items you can get from Hermès. So, without further ado, let's dive into the video and enjoy it together. Hermès Cape Cod is a unique watch designed in 1991. The artistic director of the watch is Henry Dorany. He made the Cape Cod after getting inspired by another iconic element of Hermès, which is the chaîne d'Ancre. Today, chaîne d'Ancre is not available, but it has left its elegance in the Cape Cod watch. The watch also features a leather strap, double tour bracelet, and chain motif. It's a special watch because of its elegance and how it can be blended with different dress codes. And the prices may vary from $3,000 to as high as $16,075. If you have to name one product from the brand, that would be Hermès Birkin bag. Hermès Birkin is known as the most expensive bag in the world. The journey of the iconic bag started when actress Jane Birkin complained to Jean-Louis Dumas sitting beside him on a plane. She complained to him that she couldn't find a bag suitable for a young mom. That was when he designed the Birkin bag. Out of the expensive Hermès Birkin bags, the most expensive bag is the white Himalayan Birkin bag. The bag is made of albino crocodile skin and diamonds. Hermès made plenty of bracelets that had enamels, but no other bracelet can beat the popularity of CLIC. The name is given from the sound it makes as the bracelet toggles the clasp while taking it on and off. The CLIC bracelet features the H letter in the middle. You can choose the bracelet from hundreds of colors with 3 hardware options. The other variations of bracelets have prints on them, like the Tardin bracelet, Sundu H bracelet, or the Bijou Trompe-l'œil. The price of the bracelet can start from $640. The inspiration behind the bracelet comes as one customer wanted a collar for his client's bulldog. This belt attracted several other dog owners. This pyramid design with O-rings was designed to protect hunting dogs with elegance. However, later its pure lines and volume inspired the COLLIER de Chine bracelet. You can now find exotic leathers in several colors. Do you want a belt that has the ultimate logo and you want to show it with pride? This is where the popularity of the Hermès Constant belt comes. Even though the belt is basic as it is, it's the unmistakable letter H from Hermès that makes the belt stand out. When the belt is worn properly, it can make any look elated and add a beautiful shape. The Constance belt comes from the fact that it has different styles of buckles and leather straps. The different color and leather combination makes the belt unique. The first Hermès scarf was inspired by a woodblock drawing. It was introduced in 1937. It's quite a hassle to make a Hermès scarf. Most of Hermès scarves are made up of cashmere and silk. Each scarf is made from the silk of 250 moth cocoons. If you look into the website of the scarves, you will see each scarf design has a different inspiration story. On the website, you can also find the name of the designer who designed it. Throughout history, elites like Queen Elizabeth II, Grace Kelly, Audrey Hepburn favored the scarves. Hermès has many of its iconic sandals in the house. The ORAN is a relatively new design, but has become one of the most iconic designs in the collection. It was released in 1997, and the ORAN design, which you see today, was designed by Pierre Hardy. You can characterize the sandal for its H-shaped vamp and the notable contrasting stitch design details it has. More like other Hermès products, the ORAN sandal is made up of its signature calfskin leather. Moreover, you can get this signature leather sandal in several colors, but black and tan are the most famous ones from the collection. These were a few of the most popular items from the brand Hermès. but there are many more of them. Let us know which one you like the most. Thanks for watching! Like, comment, and share it with your friends if you find these videos useful. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for further updates.